Hello viewers and welcome to a new video. I'm here again at Aston Martins in Antwerp and we have another very special car to review here. So we have an Aston Martin DB5 Goldfinger continuation, one of 25 in the world. Put this video a bit different because the interesting thing about this car, it has the same features that the Aston Martin DB5 of James Bond had in the Goldfinger movie. So let's check out which features are fitted on this car. But first, Houston, we have a problem. I dug into my YouTube studio account and check this out, viewers. A lot of you aren't even subscribed. A lot, 99%. So please hit the subscribe button. We need to grow and we need to make epic videos together. So thanks, and now enjoy the video, viewers. To start with, you have your bullet shield right here. So this thing comes up and it protects you from being shot in the back. Check out the wheels. We have knives hidden in the rims somewhere, so we cannot see them, but knives come out when an enemy is driving right here. For example, knives can come out and cut holes in the tires of the other cars to knock off the enemies. The front, we have one of the most popular things here. So this little light comes off and then your machine guns are hidden here, and this is real. So if you want to move this thing, you would see your pipe of your machine gun. Insane. And let's move over to here because we have turning number plates. You can see there is a mechanism, so there are different plates inside there and they can turn to hide from camera or police. Too crazy and incredible, one of 25 in the world. Also interesting, but I love the Superleggera badging right here on the hood of the machine. So let's continue here because there you can see an hydraulic system. So these are, you can ram this. So this front grille or front bumper slides like this, and then you can ram your opponent. And also at the back, let's go to the back. At the back you have the same thing. So hydraulic units here, thing moves to the back. From when someone wants to ram you from behind, this thing pops up and then you're protected. But the most interesting thing, if you push this, the door opens up. Let's be very, very careful because this is very expensive material, one of 25 in the world. And so let's check out what we have here. So this is going to be interesting. There you can see Goldfinger edition, one of 25, 007 James Bond by Aston Martin. And this I didn't know. Awesome. You have your telephone here in the door to have a call with Q, maybe, eh? You know, Q in the movie. Oh, and funny, I just thought of it because we have the Q division at Aston Martin. This is not, obviously, this is not built by the Q division, but the DB22 right there, and this one also, the Baylor, next video by the way, is built by the Q division, but this one isn't. So this is built at the old factory where the original DB5 was built. So it's funny because this thing is built in 2022, so it smells brand new. Normally you would smell this old leathery smell of old timers, but this is brand new. It's 2 years old. And so these are the mechanisms to activate the weapons. And here the very, very popular knob from your ejection seat. So this roof should come off, but I don't think they have fitted that because then the roof would be broken. But the button is here, viewers. Check out this cluster of dials. This is so amazing because it's an old timer, but it's brand spanking new, one of 25. I keep saying it because it's so special. Panel, lights, everything is just built like an original DB5. This is so different in comparison with the other two models in the previous videos. You have these screens also looking nice, but this is so different. This is a real, they're all real cars obviously, but you know what I mean, it's all mechanic. Oh, so I think this thing is for the smoke because it also has a smoke curtain at the back. Check out your AC controls here. I think, oh yeah, there it is. So you have temperature. Oh wow, I love this. This is too beautiful. Let this sink in, man. And the button here, wow. The radio right there. So you have number plate to choose, your front guns, bullet shield, front ram, rear ram, oil slick you can also do, and smoke. Oh, so this is not for the smoke, that's this one. But since also this is a car channel, we also need to talk about the engine. So it has the same engine obviously as a normal, what you call normal, DB5. So it's a 4-liter straight 6 engine dual overhead camshafts, DOHC. Thanks so much. We are again here, Aston Martin Antwerp. Thanks again to them, Aston Martin Michiels. This is the same to let me film these videos, and one of 25 Aston Martin Goldfingers. I mean, it just keeps getting insane. The TBR22, the V12 Speedster right there. And next video you should watch my review on this Aston Martin Velour or Failure. I don't know how you call it, but let's get into it. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.